Meaning of dessertspoonful.
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 Dessertspoonful. A dessertspoonful is a unit of measurement typically used in cooking and baking. It is larger than a teaspoon but smaller than a tablespoon, with a volume of approximately 10 milliliters or 0.4 fluid ounces. A dessertspoonful is commonly used to measure ingredients such as sugar, spices, and extracts, and can also be used for serving individual portions of food such as jam or butter. Overall, a dessertspoonful is a useful and versatile tool for precise measuring and portioning in the kitchen.